Flashback.
What's up, Jeff? It's Screech here, all the way from London, and I've got a little present for you. A nice HG Goof custom, and I thought I'd spice it up a little bit. I'm going to issue you a little bit of a challenge. It's going to be called the Loadshedding Challenge. The task is to not use any power tools while customizing this. So I think that'll be quite interesting. It will be with you shortly. Have fun.
70 years later.
So it is finally the time for the goof to meet its home. There the bad boy is. Jeff, I'm coming for you. So obviously I've got to keep him safe. Can't get injured on the way. You know how South African drivers are? He's not used to it, he's from the UK, shame. Well, on our way to the Nexus, looking forward to handing this bad boy off.
A few moments later.
Hey, how's the BuildForce? Just visiting the store here because today we're meeting one of our BuildForce member. He ordered a few things and he's coming to pick up. So I've got his stuff right here. Oh, look at that. It's the red frame, master grade. And oh, some SDs, mini Qs. Ah, that's cute. So, I think he's here already. Where's Screech? Oh, there's Screech. Oh, and what you got there, buddy?
You know, you guys do so much for us, the BuildForce, so you know what, I got a little present from the UK, and you know what, I think I will spice it up a little bit. I want to issue you a challenge, the load shedding.
Wait, you want to challenge me?
I want to challenge you. I want to challenge the master. I want to challenge the doctor.
Doctor, okay, what you got here? So what's the challenge? Okay, well, you've got a goose custom.
So,
sweet man, thank you, okay.
You know South Africa, it's prone to load shedding, okay? So why not limit you to hand painting? No airbrushing,
Okay.
no, maybe spray cans, maybe we will allow that,
So
no airbrushing.
So no power tools?
No power tools at all. We're gonna do it like the Stone Age.
Can I use my light at least? Or am I gonna do it in the dark where I can't see?
You know, candlelight. No, you can use your light. You can use your camera to even film it.
Okay, cool.
I don't know, but let's see what you can do.
No power tools. Okay, cool. It's been a while since I did hand painting. That'll be a challenge. Cool, sweet. So guys, you've heard here officially. The challenge is on. Right, and do you want to look at your goodies? Yeah, let's flip to you.
I'm so excited. Oh, there we've got some fire.
Oh, one of the classics.
Oh, and let's not forget. I picked this up today.
I saw that. Cool. Sweet.
The store is very dangerous, guys. Very dangerous.
Oh, the Digimon.
Oh, look at this.
The first in South Africa. We've got some bragging rights, eh? Actually, all of these are first in South Africa. I don't think you can get them anywhere else.
Hell yeah. I'm very excited to build these. I'm probably gonna go home and start building.
And I hope you enjoy the sweetie as well. It's still there in the box, right? There you go. That's what you get with every order. We give you a little treat. So yeah, we can do a sign off. Yeah. So wait, you know our tagline, right?
Keep building joy.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. There you go. Sweet. Cheers, guys.